What's going on, guys? Another day here at the Drake. We're getting draked every day.
Drinking them every day.
Got some painting going on. Got some finishing touches being done here in the front desk area, in the lobby. Got some painting, matching the rest of the decor here. And I had my main man, Mandy, finishing up these columns here today. Looking quite nice to match what's going on over here in the restaurant. Now he's having a problem with these out front though. I told Mandy today when he's finished with the columns inside, he's got to move out to this one and go up here, up and down these columns on each side. And he said he might have to resign if I gave him that job. I said, well, you can climb right up on those little stainless steel makeshift ladders and paint that. He said he wasn't doing it. So I don't know why he wouldn't do that.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
But yeah, we got the flow going on through here. We're gonna have the flow outside eventually. Get the same color scheme going on. Say hello to this guy right here. He's looking like he's guardian of the Drake.
Yeah. Well, this is our golfer.
He is the golfer. He's complete with a golf club.
He the golf club there, and he got a par 3. He got par.
He did.
I got a 3. Yeah.
Yeah, painting's coming along good. Getting all the painting done.
I'm really liking this color. I'm thinking the Haima needs to be painted.
You paint the Haima like that, it looked like a Woody.
A Woody? I've had a couple Woodies before. It's been a while though.
I knew something like that was getting ready to come out.
It's been a while.
Yeah, we give that Haima a Woody look.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, sorry, men. Men at work here. We are in the way. We have some.
Right. They're plugging a wall upstairs.
The walls are pretty much done. We got our walls upstairs that lead to the access area of all the air conditioner back ends where the hot noise comes from. We're barricading that off from the main hallways, which has never been done. We figured that's going to save a lot of noise and heat being dispersed throughout the hallways. So we're blocking that off. That's what these gentlemen are running up and down with the drywall now. They give you a little peek there at what they did, which we thought was a good idea. Look at the bar coming together in here. Oh my goodness. The floor, everything, all the dusting is being cleaned. All the dust's getting cleaned off. Oh, the coffee sign kind of fell down though. Oh, we got to straighten that up there, Drake. That thing, before it hardens that way. You got a little piece of tape on one side. There we go. There we go.
That's the last F I'm giving.
That's the last F you are effing.
F I'm giving.
No more F and F's. Oh, it's there. It's going. It's going.
Oh no.
It's still going. They got a little piece of tape on one side. The glue's just not hardened. Put a little piece of Hubba Bubba under there.
Big man chew.
Big man chew.
Big league chew.
Big league. The ladies and gentlemen in here are just cleaning away, getting it all done up right. Give you the before, and we're going to give you the after in just a few minutes. We're going to make this thing pop. Yeah, the ladies and gentlemen here have been dusting. All the tables are getting cleaned and waxed off out here. Chairs, it was just filthy with dust, this whole area from all the construction. And now we're getting ready to set up the restaurant. Exciting time for us to put all these booths in this restaurant.
Very exciting.
Frank's been working hard today.
I see the kitchen.
The kitchen and the dining area here. I don't know what the kitchen's ready to show yet. Let's show the dining area though. So look, we got the outside all set up here. We got a couple of tables. Hopefully we're so busy we'll need this overflow area. Right? We're going to be so busy, we're going to need this extra tablage out here. We got room for more. And then let's go into the old restaurant. Look at this. It looks a lot different, buddy. Wow. Check this out. Isn't that something? We're missing a couple of pieces yet, we discovered. We'll have our chairs.
They're coming soon.
Our high chairs. We got to have our high chairs. High chairs or bar stools?
Bar tools.
Bar tools?
Yes, that's what I mean.
You got some. You're making me do some editing tonight, baby.
Sorry, baby, so.
Bar tools, high chairs. What do you think, Frank?
Yeah, Frank,
The rock glasses.
Yeah, we got to do the. We got to do the rock glass.
rock glass.
I'm like, what are you talking about? What glass rock? What glass rock? Oh, you mean the glass racks?
We've all been working so hard, we forgot how to talk. That's what it is.
Yeah, check out this beautiful setup, guys. We are missing a couple pieces here, but you get the idea, right? We told you all along, we're going to do booths in here. We're going to focus on having comfortable seating, something familiar, a little familiar flavor from back home. And look at this bar. I'm going to step back. If this bar doesn't say wow, nothing does. We've got it all lit up beautifully. We've got electric cut in. Now we have, we actually have outlets underneath every 4 feet for you to charge your phones or what have you.
Laptop. You want to work from home?
Throw your laptop up there. Yeah. Yeah, we got some lighting options. I like it off. But you know, if we need to light it up, we have that option. You got the switches for the rope lights right there along the outside there. We got the, yeah, we can turn that off or on too. Like it, like it. Got a couple of rounders here, round tops that we plan on keeping here. This will not be here. This rounder will go back out to the.
It's just a little set up now.
Just a little setup now.
Yeah.
So yeah, we got a couple pieces missing here. So we'll get that squared away.
The big TV.
Yep, big TVs here.
65-inch TV going there.
Yeah, we got a big screen going up there.
Yeah, another booth is going to go here.
You're right.
So we'll have another square table here. This is just for
Yeah, we'll have another rectangular table here instead of this round one, of course. Actually, this small one probably will fit there. It's shaped properly, but it's coming together. Coming together. All right. So what do you think, Frank? Is this the vision? Nice vision you had?
Nice.
Does it look better than you imagined, or what?
He's like, I don't know. I can imagine pretty good.
Pretty good, right? All right, that's a good answer, right? Yeah, guys, it's coming together. It won't be long now. We're shooting for the 16th. We're going to do a soft opening, breakfast only. We're going to be live on the website, right, Mark? Here pretty soon?
The website is up. You can go ahead and go to drakehotelangeles.com, and you can go down to the bottom where it says subscribe, and you'll get updates there. You can also click our Facebook. If you're not following us on the Facebook page for the hotel, you can also click that. And there's a link for Poppy's YouTube channel, but obviously if you're watching this video, you're already watching it. But if you're watching it and not subscribed, click that button and subscribe
Absolutely.
now.
Do it.
Absolutely.
But yeah, the website, you can book through there here pretty soon. It's going to be live.
Yeah, the only thing that's not live on the website is the book now. The button is there and you can click it and it will take you to another link where you actually do the bookings. But that will be live here in a couple of days. Could be live by the time you're actually watching this video. But if it's not, be patient. We'll have it up in the next few days.
Yeah, give us a few days. We still have to put some room pictures on there and all that good stuff.
Yeah.
Decoration.
Get it updated. So yeah, we're coming together here, guys. I know a lot of you probably doubted that we could do it in this short period of time. We're not there yet, but we're getting closer.
Getting closer.
Much closer.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
Well, I think I'm excited, baby. I'm ready. I'm super ready for this.
Yeah, we all are. So yeah, we've been putting a lot of time in here, just kind of watching everything come together. Frank's been working real hard here, just managing everybody, making it all happen, all the painting going on. And today's been a major dust cleanup day. All the dust from the bar and everything, all this concrete work and tile work has been just everywhere over the last couple weeks. And now it's clean, it smells good. Frank had the guys in the kitchen. I was going to show you the kitchen, but it's not quite ready to show you yet. but it's getting cleaned up as well. We got our lit up signs out front, of course, that just look beautiful at night. I'm going to give you one last look at those for those that hadn't seen that yet. Maybe you didn't see some of our past few videos. We're going to fire these lights up out here. Give you a look at these signs all lit up out here. There's Roji. Say hi to everybody. This guy, he's keeping us safe out here. It's sprinkling a little bit, I think, right? A little mist. Got a little bit of a shower today. Check it out, everybody. There's the signage. I'm going to try to focus in on the signage here. There we go. The sign will, everything darkens up when I do that, but you get the idea. I want to see it clear. And there's the front of the building, entryway. And then again, right up here, right next to the Savannah, we have another sign, the Drake Hotel. And then we got our combo sign right here by the road. Can't miss it. You drive by here, you know where the Drake Hotel, Poppy's Bar and Chill is. There we go. Focus in a little better right there. Very nice.
Look how good these columns look.
They do
Just
from in here.
outside, how
Yep.
much better that flows just looking in there.
Yep, now you can see the columns painted in there to match the restaurant. It just stands out so much better. Still got to get somebody to climb up here about 30 feet.
Yeah.
Take care of those.
Mandy, but he's refused.
Yeah, he's refusing it. I don't know. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for joining us on this update. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Hit those like buttons. Thanks for being a loyal viewer of our channel. We appreciate it. And a future loyal customer here at the Drake and the Poppy Bar and Chill. I'm getting ready. Getting ready here. Can't wait for the big group of you guys to be lined up out here, roll out the red carpet for you.
If this video gets 10,000 views, we'll have Denise, aka TikTok, butterfly herself up there and paint them. You guys would love to see that, I'm sure.
Have her paint these columns?
Yeah, she'd be just like a
Should just float up there.
flapping the butterfly, just going up and down.
I don't know, man. I don't know what they're going to look like. But, you know, I guess if you're watching, it might be a different story,
Yeah,
right?
as long as we get 10,000 views, that's all that matters, right?
You'll hoist her up there on a window washing rope.
Yeah, yeah.
Lower up, down. All right, guys.
She's got that butterfly, she can just flap.
Just flap it.
Yeah.
All right, guys. That's it for today's video. Look forward to the next one.
We're getting closer, friends.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.
See ya.